Hello guys, welcome back. What we're gonna do is about to help you through crop a shape, and what we're gonna do, how to follow this video about understand how this actually work. Something that it should be really crop a shape, and what we're gonna do actually next to that is really to be satisfied with going on through this cycle and then started to make a circle like this, and then about to go through this part, and as you can see go to this here and image cutter, click on the image. Okay, so we have to go for again on it because we don't we see that image not selected. You can start to make a crop image. As you can see, the image flattened or the image has been done like this, so you can start to image crop image again. Maybe this is not really about this, so we can start to auto crop. As you can see, auto crop it doesn't want anything to crop every side it about to crop it. You can use all plugins that is ready about to go for crop image through it. So maybe we can use the Photopia. It is about really cropping this image, and that is all about.